Hello everybody, I am Dr. Dr Guimberteau. For the last 15 years, I have been using high-magnification camera and endoscope to try to film the inside of the human body in order to explore and to understand the sliding system between organs and organization of living matter. Anatomy has been taught with little creativity for decades. We always learn the same thing, we always teach the same thing, and above all, we learn anatomy and we learn what is living using only dead structure as fragments or cadavers. The study of the dead and of the immobile is used to explain the living and mobility. It's a little bit paradoxal. During this observation, I have observed phenomena for which I was not at all prepared by the teaching I had received.